What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Huawei Nova 9 that comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 4K resolution videos at 30 fps and 1080p Full HD resolution videos at 60 fps. For photos we got the AI image enhancement, front flash, some filters and the portrait mode that is combination of some nice bokeh effects and various beautification and edits as well. And the front-facing camera of Huawei Nova 9 also comes with a night mode for taking pictures and it also supports beautification. For videos we got the flash, some filters and beautification. But if you use any of the filters or the beautification, then the video will be reduced to 1080p resolution at 30 fps only. The front-facing camera of Huawei Nova 9 comes with vlog mode and the creator mode that allows you to capture some creative small video clips and use both front and rear camera at the very same time to capture some nice videos. You can also record 1080p resolution slow motion videos at 4x slower speed and 720p HD videos at 8x slow speed. You can also record time-lapse videos from the front-facing camera of Huawei Nova 9. So I'm trying to just give you an idea about the front-facing camera capability of Huawei Nova 9 in this quick demo video. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.